Here's going to be a video showing all my vintage original train and tram tickets I own. I've collected these over the years because every time there's a steam rail event, or when you go to the tram museum in Melbourne, there's this guy who comes dressed up in an old train or tram conductor's uniform. He gives out any tickets like this for free. I've collected a few over the years. These are the small train ones. I have a lot of them. The old zone 1, 2, 3 yellow, blue, red ticket. This day 1989, 1990, and the old City Saver, the Metropolitan thing on there. And we've got these old tickets. St Albans to Showgrounds via Melbourne. And these ones. Then MMTB, I think these are bus and tram tickets here. 3 different ones here. There is a third one somewhere if I can find it. Or might have been just 2 I got. These, this is another one. And these are the old Metropolitan Tram Board and the Met tram tickets. I think these are MMTB. I believe it's a Met and MMTB star ones. I got the 65-cent one, the 50 cents, 70 cents, 5 cent and 40 cent one. And I got some old train tickets like this. Weekly ticket. It's the Macaulay one. Then got a single leader, old leader. These are really old. This one, stamped 4th of November at 1980. That was before they had the Met cards. Then I've got Newmarket Day Return. This one is dated it's will be interesting. Don't know when this was dated. It's before the 90s. I know that for sure because they didn't have them in the 90s because the Met cards came out in the mid 90s, around the 90s. Then I got an old Pakenham one. And then I got the one East Richmond to Melbourne. Now I got this Millbark one. Then, what's this one? Off-peak ticket. I think that's a station I've not heard before, but then this from Sunbury and 2 Sunbury ticket. Coming day return one. And that Geelong to Sunbury and then return to Geelong. Then Geelong to Corio, then back to Geelong. Nowadays it's all marquee on our public transport system. There's the other one of that ticket. I thought I had 3. There's the other one I had of that ticket. I thought I had 3. That's this one because I do have doubles of these original tickets. That's the same one you just seen. That's the same one as well. And then I got this one. What's the show platform? That's on the show Flemington Race Course line. Then Spencer Street off Peak, Melbourne, Spencer Street as it was back in the day. Geelong to Werribee and Werribee to Geelong ticket. That's when the Geelong trains used to go via Werribee into Melbourne Southern Cross. Then to East Richmond once again. Some Sunshine one. No one is shown. They're all my original, I believe before 1990s, I think in between the 40s up to the 1980s tickets I have. These are all originals, and mostly I've actually got all these for free from Collectovias and Steam Events one, because the man comes with old tickets who dress up in an old train conductor uniform giving these away. I've collected a few over the past. But this one, and all these here, and that one, those ones, and that one are tram ones, and the rest of them are train ones. That's my old vintage ticket collection I have.